Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We got 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Yesterday's gone. Tomorrow's not here. What are you doing right now? Well, guess what? Market-wise, folks, let's take a look at it. We had the Dow and the S&P closed at all-time highs. We had the Dow Industrials up 251 points, 26,656. S&P's up 22, trading 29.37. We go take a look at that volume. What you're going to see volume-wise out here in the NYSE, you're at 840. And the number you can see, I guess there was 840 also. As that Dow started approaching its high, bottom line, the buyers get on board. They push that up into and over the all-time highs. Gold contract up $3.10, trading at $12.12 an ounce. Gold still needs price as well as volume. Volume-wise out here, what we did coming into a Friday. I like how we're coming into this Friday. That's the bottom line. We're going to need a lot more volume, though. We did 232,000 contracts today. We're at 12.12. That's saying that good old gold contract is going to go after the 12.18 price area once again, more than likely tomorrow. Bottom line, you're going to need like 320 to basically have a shot of getting over it, because those sellers are just sitting right at that level, folks. And the last time that we did go up there, which was about a week ago. Bottom line, you had 302,000 contracts. That was on the 18th of September, and it still couldn't hold price. That being said, though, bottom line, you didn't back off much. So I do expect we're going to get up and into that area again, particularly because if we do go over and look at the U.S. dollar, bottom line is that the dollar index went south today, had volume behind the move. You did 28,000 contracts. You were down 0.6 of 1 penny, or 674 ticks. You did take out your swing low from June 28th, and you took it out, August 28th, and you did take it out with volume. So now that's going to set up. You're going after the 92,500. And what's going to get intriguing here is that, if we do take this and we put this on a continuous contract, what you're going to see is that when King Dollar came off its low April of this year, King Dollar was down at 88. King Dollar made the run up in order to get over the October 2017 swing highs. Now, that number was 95. It took about 8-9 weeks to get over it. We stayed over that level for 5 weeks. Now you're coming back inside that level with conviction. And what happens, folks, is that when you fail on price or volume, or either one, and you come back inside the range with conviction, it's a big heads up. It's a heads up saying that the equity, or in this case, the dollar index, wants lower price. So I expect we're going to see some action out here, particularly because let's go over to the euro. What you're going to see inside the euro is that it's a direct correlation. Dollar bottom line goes down, euro goes up. Euro is right at the verge of, it just took out one swing point, which is 117.33. Looks like it's going to go after the other one, and more than likely we could be at this other one tomorrow morning, which is the 118.51. Now, that 118.51 is the 14th of June. Now, there's not, you take that out, folks, and there's not much in between that and $123 rather. And if that's what we get, you're going to see some action. Well, we should see some action in the metals. Let's put it this way. Each and every time that this dollar has come down, thus far, we still haven't cut the bid inside the metal market. If we go over and we take a look at silver, silver's trading $14.35. We did 84,000 contracts out here today. You're still at the lower end of the consolidation. What we did have out here is that you did get an expansion of volume. So we'll see whether it can actually catch a bid. Micron just come out with numbers. Let's go take a look at Micron. Micron closed at $46.06. That is trading right now at $47.12. So that's not catching a bid. Kind of flat. Numbers like this go to Micron. Their net sales, the estimate was 8 8.25 billion. They did 8.44 billion. Earnings per share, $3.33 was the estimate. They did $3.53. So bottom line is that they beat the lower, they beat the bottom, the bottom number, which is the earnings. They beat their top number, which is sales. Their gross margin is 61%. But there's something else in here, folks, because it still can't catch a bid. Pretty amazing, actually, because Micron Tech is down from $64 5 months ago. $64.66 right now. Bottom line, still trading at the $47 level, so not much action. The GDX, let's go see what they did coming into the close in the GDX. Volume-wise, that's good. Okay, so they've got volume in it again. They're at 44 million. They put volume into it. That's good. We're pushing into the swing high out here at $19.43, 48 cents. We had 52 million. Looks like this is going to go for it. I suspect we're going to go for it tomorrow morning. The XAU, what do we have in the XAU? XAU is flat out here today, $66.79. That looks like it wants to get up to the $69.58. The Gold Bugs Index, same type of setup. You had a flat market out here today. You're at 144. That looks like it wants to run into this 150.77 number. Some of the other higher volume equities out here, and inside the, let's get that S&P up there. And the SPY tomorrow, folks, will have a dividend paid, and then I believe that, we get triple witching tomorrow. We had Facebook is up $2.94. You had Microsoft up $1.87. Citigroup was up $1. The financials continued higher, folks. If we go take a look at the XLF, yesterday when the bond market broke that August low, XLF took off topside. Right now you're at $28.98. Still having a tough time going against the downdraft that was created out here in January. Bottom line is, though, guess what? The Dow Industrials made it through the downdraft that was out there in February. And in fact, if we go look at the Dow Industrials today, strength versus the weakness, what you had out here, there's only two Dow stocks that were in the red. That was Home Depot and Chevron. Home Depot was down 62 cents. Chevron was off 9. The big mover, well, it's intriguing because even Boeing, but it's not that Boeing was up a lot. Most of the movers were putting 10 to 12 positive points inside the S&P. Stay right there, folks. Come right back.